this video, we are decorating the Teresa Collins Happy Planner with a Halloween spread using stickers from the RONGROng Hello Fall sticker book. Hello, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to watch new planning videos every week. Okay, let's decorate. This is the Teresa Collins Happy Planner, and step one is to choose a theme. We're going to use the Hello Fall stickers. We'll use some Halloween ones from this kit. The handy dandy colorful boxes, I want to use some of the gold stickers out of that to go with this. So that is our theme. Step two of my planning decorative process is washi tape. So I'm gonna need to go grab some washi tape that goes with these stickers. Okay, here are some washi tapes. These are all Simply Gilded, and then I have a RONGROng washi tape, so I definitely want to use that one somewhere. So let's see how these, I think these all have gold foil. This one has multiple foils, but it does have gold foil. So I think maybe this like brown one, because these turn out a little bit more yellow when you put them on the page. All right, let's put the yellow aside. I do like those. And I like these kind of ivory off-white. This one's a little more tan, maybe, but I really like those. And maybe some bows. This washi fits right down the center in between the boxes and the punches. So let's do that. I think that's so cool. All right, I'm gonna trim this. Okay, I totally destroyed this bottom part of the page when I did the first row of washi. I will try not to do that one. I'm just gonna trim it right here. There, see, that's what this was supposed to do, but somehow I pulled up half the page. But we'll probably put some stickers down there. Maybe we'll have some decorations. All right, I like that to start. That's pretty cool. So let's see what we're gonna do with this other washi tape. All right, I'm just decorating because I like this washi. So I think I'm gonna go across the bottom with the bows, but I'll leave those words there. And I think I'll leave this there too. So that'll cover up where I tore the page a little bit too. Like so. Over here. I don't know, I just felt like it. And then we'll put, I think I wanna put the sparkle washi maybe across the top. Let me do these bows first. Okay, I think I'm gonna put some up here. I love the sparkle washi, Stardust washi from Simply Gilded. It's so pretty. And it comes in a bazillion different colors. Should I go off the edge? I think I'm gonna go off the edge because I did on the washi on the bottom row, bottom of the page. Next is box stickers. So we have these, and then all of these are decorative. So we'll save those for after. Let's do some boxes next. Leave a comment and tell me, do you like scary Halloween or do you like not so scary Halloween? Leave a comment down below. Okay, I like this Hello Fall. Let's put, oh, shoot, no. Not ready. Okay. I think this will look good right here, and it should give me enough like overlap on the washi and just look really cool right there. Okay, I love that. And then let's do this little Halloween box on the left page since we put that box on the right page. Let's put this over here. And these boxes are sized to fit in the RONGROng planner, so they're not gonna fit exactly in the Happy Planner boxes, but that's okay. Let's see. Ooh, I like this one. Let's do two of these notes also. Let's put a notes down here and a notes over here. I love that. And we're gonna put some decorative. Oh, I like these small boxes too. I think I wanna use one of the small boxes on this page. Like this. Okay. And then I think I'm not going to use the colorful boxes, or those colored boxes, because we're gonna use the big stickers, the decorative ones. Maybe one more little box so that there's a box on every day. Okay, next will be checklists, but I wanna make sure we have space for the decorative stickers that I want to use. I love these little costume ones. These are smaller, so these can probably fit around what we need to do, but the costumes, I definitely want one on each page. I like these two, like this girl with the pumpkin and this girl with that outfit. And they're not exactly costumes, but they're Halloween-y. And I think I like the black hair. It's more witchy. So I think I'm gonna use these two. So for our checklists and bullet points, this week I'm just going to use checklists, and I'm gonna grab these gold ones. Where's my tweezers? And I think I'm going to put them kind of across the top mostly. So let me grab some of these gold. Okay, let's grab our two girls. And since this girl is on this side of the page, I'm gonna put her big sticker on that side, and this girl I'll put somewhere. I like to have space to writing notes. Maybe, maybe there, I'm not ready yet. All right, I think I'm gonna put this one here, so there's still plenty of space to write. And then let's put this one on this side. Now let's grab a couple of these fun, the fun stickers and put them around a few places. Like this leaf can go here, and I love this Hocus Pocus. And there's a little tiny one right there, so let's put this big one on this side somewhere. Oh, maybe it should go down here. It's kind of like a floating hand. It's like, which cousin is just the hand from the Addams Family? Let's put it in the corner like that. Let's grab another leaf off of this page. This leaf looks a little bit different than that one, so let's put it over here. Maybe like that. And then I love these little coffees. Let me grab one of those. I think I'm gonna put it like here. Okay, we're gonna grab one more washi, the skinny washi that matches the bows down there, but I'm gonna put it in this space in between the boxes and the lines, just because I've done that before and I really like how it looks. It's kind of like a frame for your stickers, and it just adds another color, and just, I don't know, I really like it. So let's do that on these couple of boxes that have some space in between the lines and the boxes. I feel like I want to put these headers on each of those checklists. They just seem like they need something. So let's grab some of these that say like to do, busy day. Let's put some of the skinny washi down here too. I think I want a pumpkin up here by October on the top of my page. Let's see if it'll fit and how it looks there. Oh, darn, it stuck itself on. It's covering up my Monday. I want to move it over a little bit. Pumpkin versus Katie. Got it. Ooh, I like that. Okay, let's see how it looks on the discs. As always, check out the description box for all of the details on the products used in this video. If you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!